Okay. So there's a train up there. Stop.
Are you documenting this?
Yeah. Commentary. And you can't see yet, but there's another train coming.
What if it's the apocalypse?
Shit! Shit! There it is. Here it comes.
Dude, we gotta see what type of cars those are. If they're flammable, we're getting out of here.
We're gonna die.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Holy fuck.
Oh, we're gonna be witnesses. They're gonna steal this for my commentary for. Ah! They must have told the other train coming that
Oh, did they start?
they're slowing down. Hear the brakes.
Can it stop that fast?
It's still got like 1,000 yards to go.
Who's peeing?
Somebody peeing.
Someone
That's
peed
a
like
string.
that. So these trains gonna collide.
I don't know.
If you hear a big bang, you will know.
Is that a car or is that person's house?
Probably the entire noise.
I don't know, I didn't see that big ass fucking light there.
Yeah, I looked at it like 6 times.
What?
The light.
Yeah. It's cool, dude.
So I'm guessing they planned this. This a drug dealer with it? Conrail?
Conrail crack.
Drug cartel.
Watch them be like
Tomorrow in the news.
That's probably why they stopped. They seen our light. They're freaking out.
Probably real hot. Probably aliens.